Number 10. Ötzi's last meal wasn't what anyone expected. 300 years ago, in the mountains between modern Italy and Austria, a man was murdered with an arrow to the chest. His body froze, got buried under glacier ice, and stayed that way until hikers found him in 1991. Scientists call him Ötzi. Here's the part that doesn't get talked about enough. In 2018, researchers finally cracked open his actual stomach, not his intestines, his stomach, and reconstructed his literal last meal down to the protein level. They identified 167 separate animal and plant proteins in there, and what they found broke a popular assumption. For years, some scientists thought early hair analysis meant Ötzi was basically vegetarian. He wasn't, not even close. Roughly half of what was in his stomach, by volume, was pure animal fat, ibex fat, red deer, and einkorn wheat, eaten just 1 to 2 hours before he died. Researchers described it as a genuinely greasy, high-fat feast, the kind of meal that would have tasted like eating a stick of butter with a side of meat. Now here's where it gets interesting. That's not far off from a fast food breakfast sandwich in raw fat percentage. So if fat content alone was the test, an ancient human wouldn't be shocked by your bacon, egg, and cheese. What would shock him is something else entirely: the way that meat was actually made. When researchers studied the muscle fiber structure of the meat in Ötzi's stomach under a microscope, they found something specific.